What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a new Prius key fob in the mail, and hopefully I can successfully program this one to my Prius. I did a little reading on what went wrong, and I think I know what it is, so let's get into it, see if this thing will work this time. Okay, so this key fob right here is the one that I just bought. This is the one that came with the Prius, and I believe what the issue was before was the incorrect FCC ID. I don't know if it'll focus on it or not, but you can kind of make out the last three letters are AAB. The one that I had bought previously was ACX, which some 2010 to 2016 or 2015 Priuses use. But because mine is the AAB, I need another AAB. And further reading has shown that there are two kinds of AABs. So you got to look at that part number, the 271451-3370 with the E letter right there. So there are two different part numbers for the AAB fobs. I'm not sure if all AAB fobs will work or if you have to match the part number on the chipboard, but I decided to match the part number. This particular one was actually, I think, out of a Camry or an Avalon, because it has the trunk release button, but hopefully that won't matter. Hopefully all that matters is the AAB and the correct board number. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and see if it works. Alright, so like before, you get into the tech stream, connect to your vehicle, and then go to body electrical and smart key, and then hit that green arrow to go to the smart key. Let it do its thing. Historical fault there, so that doesn't matter. Go to utilities or utility. And then smart code registration, and we're back to the process that gave me trouble last time, but hopefully this time it'll work. Alright, all the boxes are checked. Next. Number of available spaces for new codes 5, and the current number of keys registered is 2, so that's still good. And then that's the explanation of what needs to be done. So that the pre-start checklist thing, you just got to look through that, which I already have from before. So you start the process, and then touch the engine switch with the old key. That'll beep. Take the old key out, and then touch it with the new key. Then place it in the passenger seat, and code registration is complete. It's just that simple. And now you can see I have 3 codes registered to the vehicle with 4 more spaces for new keys. And one quick note on this screen here, it shows that I have 4 available codes left for this vehicle. If you have 0, meaning that you have 7 total keys registered to your vehicle, or whatever number that may be, you can exit that out. There is smart code reset, but as you can read here, it erases all the smart codes, so all the keys will be wiped from the ECU, but you need a password to do it, to clear it. That's something that only the dealership can get, typically, but you can also pay for a service to somehow generate the correct code for you, and they can send you a code, or you buy this USB stick. I actually found it on Newegg. It's USB with some program on it. I don't know how they prevent you from copying it, but you need that USB stick and the software, and then you can generate the code on your own. I'm sure it's only for one vehicle or so, so they can charge a killing for it. But you do need that password if you want to do the smart code reset. And I also believe with that smart code reset, you can use previously registered key fobs that have not been erased. You can use those to register it to your vehicle. So that's just something to keep in mind there. If you're out of programmable slots, or you just have used keys, or you want to erase the previous codes from, you know, a previous owner, that is a route that you can take. So there you have it. Super simple, super easy to register a new key fob to your 3rd gen Prius. The one I got was actually a used fob, but there are sellers online that can erase them back to a unused status. This one cost about $100. Brand new, never used ones are about $150 to $160. And you can potentially even get a Lexus key fob if you want. I haven't tried that one, but there are AAB ID key fobs out there for Lexuses that you could potentially try. But of course, the best way to do it is to match your FCC ID to the key fob you already have, and double check the board number to make sure it's correct. One other thing to note is you should probably get your key cut, your laser key. I know a locksmith that cut mine for pretty cheap. Should cost you a couple bucks. Last ditch effort, maybe Ace Hardware can do it, but like Walmart and Lowe's and Home Depot, they don't have the key cutting machine to do laser cut keys. So yeah, make sure to get that cut, because if your battery dies, this is literally the only way into your Prius. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Like this video if you liked it, sub to the channel if you haven't, and I will catch you in the next video.